Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva as a storyboard tool. A storyboard is basically a visual plan for your project. It helps you organize scenes, ideas, and flow before you start creating a video, animation, short film, or any creative project. Instead of doing this on paper, we can use Canva to make everything clean, visual, and easy to edit. So go to canva.com and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, let's go to the Templates tab or click Templates on the Home tab right here. Then let's search for Storyboard. There we go. So as you can see here, some templates are free and some require Canva Pro. If you want a simple option, you can also search for a blank storyboard to start from scratch. Anyways, choose any template you like, then click on Customize Template. So after opening the template, you can start editing it right away. You can change the title, you can adjust the text sizes, fonts, and colors if you want. So each block usually represents one theme. So this is where you'll describe what happens in that part of your video or story. You can also edit the action and make sure to edit the second page as well, or you can add more pages by duplicating it. Now start filling in your storyboard. You can add images, graphics, or illustration to represent each scene. Just go to the Elements tab and then choose Graphics. After choosing a graphic, just drag each graphic to your canvas. Under each image, again, as I mentioned earlier, is the action. Write short notes describing the scenes or dialogue. Keep it simple and clear so you understand it later. You can repeat this process for all of the scenes. Second page, change the scenes as well. And third page, change the scenes as well. If your project is long, you can create multiple storyboard pages by creating a blank one or just duplicating a page and then changing the element. This makes it easy to organize your entire project from start to finish. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.